Okay, on this particular grill, it comes with 2 grates. You can smoke 2 levels. You put a grate here just above the water bucket. You can put meat on that grate. You can also put meat on that grate and smoke at 2 levels. For my brisket, I like to get as close to the water as I can. The brisket will go down in there. There's a temperature. Let me unplug this. There's a temperature dial right here where I can control. That makes it a lot easier. Now, you can also buy one that's not electric. That the only thing you have, and they have some large ones that have 5 or 6 racks in them. This has 2 racks, to where you just use the chunks. You use the large chunks, and once you get the coals going, which you want the coals white and glowing before you add your meat. Then as you go along, you take a bucket of water and you throw some chunks in the water and let it soak for 5 or 10 minutes. These will be your smoking chips. On your non-electric, when you use the chunks, this will be your fuel, and these small chips will be your smoking chips. Once it gets in, they're soaked in the water. Then you lay them in on the coals. They won't catch fire, but they will smoke. And that's where your smoking effect will come through. What you want is your smoke going through the meat. It's not really the heat that's cooking the meat, it's the smoke. And what the smoke does is preserve it.